Hey guys, welcome back. This is your host Phil from underKG.com, and I've been using the new flagship LG G7 ThinQ for the past few days. Really few days. And a lot of you have been asking questions on the notch, or as LG wants to put in, the new second screen. So here's how it works, very briefly. We all know that there's a little cutout there, just like we've seen from other manufacturers, and LG gracefully provided us with the option to hide it. So custom lets you hide it, or standard lets you reveal it. With custom options, you got black, gray, and the little tones spreading from the center, little red tones, or the rainbow-ish if you really want to make it stand out. And there are options for the corners, rounded, or less so. The thing about the painting option is that they're only going to work with the LG apps, as they have stated right there. So for the built-in LG apps like the LG Launcher, Dialer, settings, you'll have the nice hidden notches, and even though it's an LCD panel, the black color reproduction there isn't actually that bad. But if you get into the third-party app like the Google Play Store, you'll not have that privilege. And interestingly enough, even some of the LG's own apps didn't support that painting feature. And in terms of notification, most of them are going to show up on the left side of the notch, while the right side is reserved for the system notifications, although it doesn't show all of them either. When you swipe that down, you can see that I got Bluetooth, vibration mode, and the battery percentage, which don't show on the notch. And the app notification icons, you can have up to 3 of them, but in some regions and carriers where they force the device to show the network that they're registered on, like the one we have right now, is going to show the network name right there and allow one icon to be shown. We right now have 3 icons, so if we kill all of them and leave only one, we're going to see one notification icon right there. And although it's called the new second screen, there is no second screen multitasking switcher function right there. Instead, you get to have the floating bar that was introduced with the V30. You can swipe to access some features and the music controller. So that's how the notch parts of the display, or the new second screen, works on the G7 ThinQ. If you have any questions, please do leave them down in the comments. You can always meet us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. We'll see you guys later. Ciao.